Welcome to the 2024 Seal of Good Local Governance Awarding.
Today we gather to celebrate a remarkable achievement, one that reflects not only excellence in local governance, but also the unwavering commitment of our leaders to uplift their communities. To the winners of the Seal of Good Local Governance, again, my warmest congratulations. Let this be a call to action for all Filipinos to support and celebrate good governance wherever it flourishes. Congratulations po sa inyong lahat. Mabuhay po ang mga awardees. May your triumphs continue to inspire and lead us to greater heights.
Good governance should unite us all. It should not divide us. Politics divide us, but good governance should put us all together. Lahat tayo dito iisang pakay. Good governance. Lahat kayo dito awardee for good governance. Ang politika ay napakahirap. But sana itong seal nyo, itong seal of good governance, ay gamitin nyo sa kampanya nyo sa darating na halalan. Pakita nyo na kinikilala kayo ng DILG na top performing local chief executive LGU sa buong Pilipinas. Pakita nyo sa kanila yan. Let good governance be a symbol of unity. Let good governance be a symbol of hope. Let be good governance a symbol of tomorrow's progress for the Philippines. Ayun lang naman ang gusto ng ating Pangulo. Magbago ang Pilipinas, magbago ang Pilipino, magbago tayong lahat.